Wicket mailer bags built for faster packing. Production starts with heat sealing, bonding Wicket mailers into clean stacks for faster handling. From the film roll, the material moves through adhesive application, then punching and cutting, forming each bag with a peel-off seal and Wicket holes. Finished bags are delivered one by one, then collected, arranged, and packed carefully into cartons. On the table, the stacked mailers show a practical format for batch use, while the self-sealing adhesive strip makes closing the bag quick and consistent. The film is then tested by hand, pulled, stretched, and pressed with a sharp point, showing how the material helps resist tearing during normal packing and transport. In use, clothing goes in easily, the release liner peels away, and the mailer seals cleanly for a secure finished pack. Manufactured by HAPLAST Group, this product is backed by recognized certifications that reflect our commitment to quality control, product compliance, and export-ready manufacturing standards. That is why global partners continue to place their trust in HAPLAST. Looking for a reliable insulated food bag manufacturer? Partner with HAPLAST Group for practical, export-ready packaging solutions.